if I talk about your and if you use your Android device and you want to delete your post from your Facebook app, go to your Facebook and then you have to go to your profile, scroll down. Now here you can see a gear icon on the post section. If you click here, you will be able to find your post. Like here you can see there is also filter option if you want to filter, or just the same process you have seen in the desktop. You have to do the same thing, just there is few changes. Now here you cannot like select every single post like on desktop, but here you have to select manually, and here if you want to delete them, you simply can select and you can delete. So I am not going to do that. So here you can see if you want to find any other options like your tagged post. Now here you can see your tagged post also showing. So if you mark them all, you simply can hide from your timeline or remove those tags. Alright guys, so this is how you can delete your post or hide your post from your timeline. Yeah, that was it. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask it in the comment section below. We will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and stay with 5 Minute Solution.